Welcome to our ESG Reporting Marketing Accelerator demo in Alteryx. ESG reporting discloses an organization's environmental, social, and corporate governance initiatives and data. An ESG report provides a snapshot of the sustainability and social responsibility of a company's operations and practices. Our approach is very simple and based on three tenets. 1. Earn trust. 2. Be business outcomes focused. 3. Execute flawlessly. In this video, where we'll explore how Alteryx can streamline ESG reporting, enabling businesses to drive sustainable practices. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of using Alteryx to sort and analyze employee data based on GRI standards. By leveraging Alteryx's powerful tools, you can generate comprehensive ESG reports and make informed decisions for a better future. So, let's get started. Imagine you're an HR manager responsible for ESG reporting in a company. You need to sort and analyze employee data according to the GRI, Global Reporting Initiative, standards. This information will help the company assess its environmental, social, and governance factors and drive sustainable business practices. With Alteryx, you can easily sort and analyze your employee data to calculate key metrics aligned with ESG reporting. One. Import your employee data into Alteryx. Alteryx allows you to seamlessly import your employee data, providing a solid foundation for analysis. By utilizing Alteryx's Summarize tool, you can group the data based on employee gender, enabling you to analyze and compare gender distribution within the organization. 2. Calculate the percentage of male and female employees using the formula tool. Alteryx's formula tool simplifies the calculation process, allowing you to determine the percentage of male and female employees accurately. 3. Use the Select tool to eliminate unwanted columns and rename others for better clarity. Alteryx's Select tool enables you to streamline your data by removing unnecessary columns and renaming the remaining ones, ensuring a clean and meaningful dataset. 4. Apply the Summarize tool to calculate other ESG factors such as social and governance metrics. Utilizing Alteryx's Summarize tool, you can calculate metrics such as hiring percentages, career moves, senior management diversity, ethnicity representation, recruitment practices, and board of director composition, aligning with GRI standards. 5. Similarly, calculate environmental factors within the same workflow. Alteryx allows you to calculate and analyze environmental factors such as energy consumption, waste management, carbon emissions, and water usage, enabling a holistic assessment of the company's environmental impact. Once the data is analyzed, it's time to generate a comprehensive report. In this workflow, we leverage a Python script that creates a PDF report, capturing the ESG metrics and findings. The report serves as a valuable tool for stakeholders, providing insights into the company's ESG performance and facilitating informed decision-making. In conclusion, Alteryx empowers businesses to streamline ESG reporting, enabling them to drive sustainable practices and make a positive impact on society and the environment. Start using Alteryx today. Together, let's create a better future through data-driven ESG reporting with Alteryx. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and helpful insights. Thank you for watching. Inquire about our complete Marketing Accelerators bundles. Follow us and like us on LinkedIn and visit our Marketing Accelerator page, www.fugetroncorp.com/marketing-accelerator. Thank you and see you soon for a live demo.